All right, really quick, I just want to show you guys what I made. So I 3D printed this piece for this VCR bearing to fit into, and it fits perfectly in there. And then I printed this housing for this guy to fit, and it fits perfectly in here. And this is the plate I'm going to use. And here is the magnets. I printed these are 7/8 by 7/8, and I printed these little caps, these little housings for them, and they'll fit on like this. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I think I need to make it bigger, and I don't think this is symmetrical enough. I can't 3D print something because it won't be strong enough. I don't think. Maybe if I 3D print it and then infuse it with resin, that might work. But there's all of the magnets. I've got 8 of them. And I think I'm going to experiment with G Law said about putting a ring magnet underneath here. So I'll 3D print another housing. But I thought that was pretty cool. I really like the way this thing came out. And I was able to print it relatively quick because I made it hollow. And that's going to be nice and sturdy and stationary. And here again, here's the magnets. Let me put that back up there. So I just wanted to show you the progress. And yeah, I think I'm going to end up 3D printing something so that I can get the accuracy, and then figuring out a way to infuse it with resin. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Ciao.